Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well and spending some quality time for your exam preparations. So let us start with our today's question. The nurse is preparing to administer IV cefazolin to a client with cellulitis. The client's allergies are listed as amoxicillin, ciprofloxacin and sulfur drugs. What the nurse should do first? So here the keyword is that what is the nurse do first, which means that out of the options given below, all of the options, maybe some of the options nurse has to do, but which she should do first. So we'll see the options. Option 1 says administer the medication as prescribed. Option 2, clarify the prescription with the HCP. Option 3, inquire about the type of allergic reaction. Option 4, notify the pharmacy that the drug is inappropriate. So what do you think? Which could be the right option, or which could be the first thing that the nurse should do before administering this cefazolin medication for this client? So here we should have a minimum idea about what kind of medication is cefazolin and which category will come this amoxicillin, ciprofloxacin and sulfur drugs. We know that the amoxicillin, ampicillin, these are penicillin antibiotic category medicines. And the cefazolin and ciprofloxacin, ceftriaxone, these all are cephalosporin antibiotics category. So how it is connected? Because these both categories are structurally, in terms of its molecular form, it's are similar. So the client, those who have listed allergic reactions related to penicillin antibiotics, might have a chances of experiencing adverse reactions to cephalosporin antibiotics also, because it's like a cross sensitivity reaction. So we said that here the client have some allergy which was listed before related with amoxicillin. That amoxicillin comes under penicillin antibiotics, and the cefazolin that will comes under cephalosporin antibiotics. So what the nurse should do first is that she should ensure what type and what kind of reaction the client had previously receiving this kind of medications. And if these reactions are mild, for example, it's like a rash, means the doctor might be prescribed to continue the dose of cefazolin and it can be safely administered. But if the reaction which was reported was severe, then the doctor might choose with another antibiotics. So that is the points related to this question. So what this is the thing I hope you understand. We should have an idea what categories of medicines these all are and how it is connected. So here the answer is inquire about the type of allergic reaction is the first one. After inquiring the type of allergic reaction, then we can inform to the healthcare providers. Then we will clarify the prescription with the healthcare provider, because we will tell to the healthcare provider that the patient had this type of reactions previously while taking this kind of medicines. Then that is the step we are doing the second. Then if it is a mild reaction, we will go with the administer medication as prescribed. If it is a severe, means we will go with the another antibiotics as prescribed by the physician. So our answer of this question is option 3, inquire about the type of allergic reaction. And I hope that you are clear with this topic. The option 4, it says that notify the pharmacy that the drug is inappropriate. That is not the first thing that we are going to do. Everybody know that. So bye for now, and prepare well for your exams. If you have any doubts, if you want to discuss more questions same like this, please mention in the comment box, and we'll discuss such questions later.